In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with BigQuery. This process will streamline how you create and manage your data visualizations by leveraging the power of BigQuery within Looker Studio. So, let's dive right in. First off, open your preferred web browser and type in Looker Studio in the search bar. You'll want to navigate to the Looker Studio homepage, which is an essential online tool for connecting and visualizing data from various sources. Once you're on the Looker Studio site, the next step is to log into your account. Ensure you're using the correct credentials, as this will grant you access to all the features Looker Studio has to offer. If you're not logged in, you might miss out on the ability to save your work or connect to other data sources. With your account open, go ahead and initiate the process for creating a reusable data source. To do this, click on the Create button located prominently on the interface. This action will prompt a menu where you can select the Data Source option. Choosing this allows you to connect Looker Studio to outside data like BigQuery, which is what we're focusing on today. In the Add Data to Report or Configuration panel, you'll see a list of available connectors. Here, you want to select the BigQuery connector. This choice is crucial as BigQuery acts as your database, storing large volumes of data that you can then visualize in Looker Studio. When you choose the BigQuery connector, you'll be prompted to decide how you want to connect. You can opt to connect directly to a specific BigQuery table or view. Alternatively, if you have a custom SQL query that you've crafted, you can utilize that to retrieve your data. If your choice is to connect to a table or view, you've got some navigating to do. Proceed by exploring your BigQuery projects. Choose the dataset that you're interested in, and then drill down to the specific table or view you'd like to connect to within Looker Studio. Now, to ensure Looker Studio executes queries effectively against BigQuery, you'll need to select a billing project. This step involves designating which project will incur any costs associated with your data queries. For those opting to use a custom query, select Custom Query within Looker Studio. Here, you'll enter your billing project ID and paste your SQL query into the designated field. This step gives you the flexibility to shape the data you're pulling in from BigQuery. Once all that's sorted, click Connect or Add if you're incorporating data into a report. This action establishes the connection between Looker Studio and BigQuery, generating fields in the Fields panel derived from your specified data. Now that you're connected, you're free to engage with your data. You can simply drag and drop fields onto the Looker Studio canvas. This feature lets you create insightful visualizations, tables, and other components, thus crafting a detailed report that visually communicates your data story by tapping directly into BigQuery's capabilities. Enjoy exploring data with Looker Studio and BigQuery.